Heading into the IPL 2026 auction, five-time champions Chennai Super Kings find themselves at a rare crossroads. After a disastrous IPL 2025 season, the men in yellow are facing the difficult task of rebuilding their squad, something CSK are not often known for. To make matters even tougher, CSK lost one of their most experienced campaigners, Ravichandran Ashwin, who bid farewell to the IPL. His departure leaves a massive void, not just in terms of spin bowling, but also leadership and game awareness. However, CSK grabbed headlines during the trade window with a bold move. They traded Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran to bring in Sanju Samson, a decision that signals a clear shift in strategy and a new phase for the franchise. Apart from this blockbuster trade, CSK also released several star players, moves that have left noticeable gaps in the playing 11. So, CSK will go into the auction with a purse of 43.4 crore rupees and 9 players to sign. A closer look at CSK's probable lineup highlights both promise and problems. At the top of the order, Sanju Samson is expected to open the batting. The Indian batter brings aggression and experience and could also serve as a backup wicketkeeper going forward. He is likely to be partnered by Ayush Mhatre, who impressed during IPL 2025 with his fearless stroke play and consistency. Captain Ruturaj Gaikwad will bat at number 3, a position where he can anchor the innings and play the role of stabilizer, something CSK desperately need during their transition phase. In the middle order, CSK could experiment by giving Shivam Dube and Dewald Brevis extended runs at numbers 4 and 5. Both batters are explosive by nature, and giving them more time in the middle could help CSK rediscover their attacking identity. However, the biggest concern lies around MS Dhoni's batting position. With Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran no longer in the squad, CSK are missing reliable all-rounders who could contribute both with the bat and the ball in crunch moments. This gap is arguably CSK's biggest headache going into the auction. In the bowling department, CSK currently have Noor Ahmed, Khalil Ahmed and Nathan Ellis. A decent mix, but one that lacks experience and depth, especially in spin. So, what will Chennai Super Kings target at the IPL 2026 auction? First and foremost, CSK need quality all-rounders, players who can strengthen both the batting and bowling departments. Given the current balance, at least one Indian all-rounder will be a priority to maintain team flexibility. Secondly, with Ashwin gone and only Noor Ahmed as a frontline spinner, CSK must invest in a lead spinner, someone who can control the middle overs and carry the spin attack for the Yellow Army. The IPL 2026 auction will be a defining moment for Chennai Super Kings. Smart buys, the right all-rounders and experienced spin options could help CSK rebuild without losing their identity and begin the next chapter of their storied IPL legacy.